Today we'll take a look at Akeeyo's NVX Super Night Vision Rear View Mirror Dash Camera. With its 12-inch IPS touchscreen, 1080p front and rear cameras, blind spot detection, includes a 32GB memory card, GPS, super capacitor, and many more. The touchscreen can be mounted as a rear view mirror or as a standing unit on your dashboard. Full touchscreen capability, clear display, and nice audio. Charging cable is 3.28 feet long, comes with a rear view camera, which is waterproof, and the cable is 23 feet long. The Super Night Vision camera, optional screws, the display touchscreen standing plate, GPS antenna, rubber mounting straps, car wire trim tool, some transparent adhesives, the user manual, and here's everything you get in the box. The rear camera, the front camera, connecting the cameras are pretty simple. The wires are color matched. Connect the two blue ones together for the front camera. And the white one is for the rear camera. And then connect a 23-foot long cable. The red one is for the power cable, which connects to a 12-volt adapter. And your GPS cable. Now, to replicate powering it up from your car, I'll be using a Goal Zero Yeti portable battery, which has a 12-volt socket, same as your car. So you just plug it in, and when you turn on your car, the dash camera will automatically power up and begin to record. But because this is the first time, you have to first format the memory card. If you choose to use the dash camera as a standing unit, install the mounting bracket. You can place it on your dashboard and swivel the screen for your best viewing angle. Simply touch the screen to display menu options, then touch the settings button. Click the settings button once more, and then next to system reset, touch the format button. This will format the memory card and you'll be able to begin recording. You can stop the recording by pressing the record button once, and you can view your recorded files by touching the playback button. Here you can see the videos recorded from your front camera or your rear camera, or the photos that you've taken. Back into your settings menu. Some settings options are screen brightness, G-sensor, blind spot detection, frequency. If you enable blind spot detection, it'll give you a warning signal and sound on your display unit if there's a vehicle in your blind spot. In the next settings display, you can change the language, sound settings, HUD mode if you want to show speed, direction, clock, or just speed only, rear mirror, system reset, and the software version. The camera also has a reverse assist option. If you want to take a photo, simply touch the take a photo button. Your display screen can show both front and rear cameras at the same time in split screen mode. You can also mute audio recording. And by swiping the screen, you can flip the camera view to your liking. If you want to show the front and the rear cameras simultaneously, left to right or right to left, simply by swiping. Or if you just want to show the front camera or just the rear camera on the display. You can also find the swipe screen button on the display, but I find it more convenient to just swipe it with your finger. You can lock a video recording, which protects it from being deleted by simply touching the lock button. You can activate voice commands by turning it on and off. It's really convenient to just use voice commands. Here's a demonstration.
Take picture. Show front camera. Show rear camera. Lock the video. Close screen. Open screen.
And also while driving.
Close screen. Open screen. Lock the video. Lock the video.
And here are just some sample footages taken from the camera during daytime and nighttime. Rear camera. And nighttime shots. If you choose to install the rear camera on the outside of your car, it is waterproof and you'll need to use the optional screws included to fasten it in place. Since I only installed it on the inside of the car, I'm not able to show you a live demonstration of the blind spot detection option. But what it does is it'll tell you on your display via signal and a noise if there's a vehicle in your blind spot so that you're aware not to change lanes during that time. If you're in the market looking for a dash camera, take a look at Akeeyo NV-X model with its 12-inch full-touch large display screen, which can be mounted as your rear view mirror or simply as a standalone display unit using the plate bracket. It has a Sony385 lens with an F1.0 aperture that makes it a super night vision camera, giving you great quality night videos as well as in the day. It comes with high precision GPS as well as loop recording capabilities and G-sensor. When parking in reverse, you can also utilize the reverse assistance feature. The camera also has a super capacitor instead of lithium-ion batteries. A 32GB memory card is included, which you can easily upgrade if you need more memory, and you get plenty of length in your cables, so it makes it great for vans and trucks or other longer vehicles. Please don't forget to check the link in the description down below where you can get more information and where to get this camera. And a reminder that it is an Amazon affiliate link, which doesn't cost you anything more, but may help me out with a commission if you use my link, which can help me out to make more videos like this in the future. If you've got any questions, feel free to comment down below in the comment section. I'll do my best to answer the questions. And if you found this unboxing and review video helpful, please don't forget to give a like, share, and subscribe as it really helps me out. And until next time,